Here's a new take. We were getting all fired up about the seating arrangements in that minivan. Here's a new take on airplane seating. I got to figure out what you think about this. Are you prepared to sit like this on the airplane? Right across from somebody else? Now, granted, you're going to get a lot more work done because you have a table in front of you. For those that are just listening, this is like a new cabin layout. And it looks like a coffee shop sort of, or a library or something, where the seats are actually facing one another with a table, a workstation in between.
Yeah, it's like a long table and it's like a conference room.
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Yeah, or a shared workspace. A lot of those shared workspaces are like this. Believe it or not, this seat here would be sold at a premium next to economy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
For people who want to get a lot of work done.
Yeah.
Oh, you hate it. It's having to face somebody else the whole time.
Yeah. Why can't they just put like a wall? You know? Just put like a wall. Why do you have to face them for like a 5-hour
Well, the wall would have to be quite tall, wouldn't it?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that would have fixed it. I don't mind doing this.
I'm sure
it has a wall.
I'm sure they thought about it. I'm sure there's some reason they couldn't. What if you're sitting across from somebody you know?
Wow. I wouldn't mind.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Because I was thinking a lot of people travel together and they could be like, okay, let's get 2 workstation seats because we got all this work to do and we can communicate.
Yeah, that's fine.
But then everyone else can be so annoyed you're making all this noise and they're trying to sleep, and I don't know how it's all going to work out. Anyway, this is one of many designs that were pitched at the Crystal Cabin Awards Association. I think there's a couple other ones you can look at. You might like more if you scroll down. It's a reimagining the airplane cabin. Maybe you like this one better.
Oh, this one's way better. You have your own personal like office.
Oh, you like this one better?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, well, this one is obviously going to pay more for those seats, like a lot more.
Yeah, that's true.
But these ones are going to swivel. So actually you can face away from a person or towards a person if you're traveling with them and you want to collaborate. So those ones swivel around. Then you really like those ones.
Yeah.
This next one is more typical, but just upgraded a little bit. You see the neck rest and the extra table above the table for more items. Mm-hmm. Just a few tweaks over there. The last one, obviously, you want that. That's another pretty high-end finish and seat. And those are actually showcasing an electric plane, which I didn't even... An electric commuter jet.
Wow.
Designed to go 650 miles, so not long distances. But anyway, some cool futuristic cabins.